So our topic today will be chemical properties of non-metals. We will just see how non-metals react with other elements in the periodic table. So first of all, we will take a reaction of non-metals with the oxygen. So first of all, we will take a reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Okay, dear? Before going to this reaction, we will know what a non-metal mean and what is the property of non-metal, how it becomes a non-metal. So, dear viewers, the non-metal is an element which is having tendency to accept electron. Okay, dear? So this is an element which is having tendency to accept electron. It means their outermost shell is incomplete. And to complete their octet, usually the non-metals will complete their octet. वो अपना octet ही complete करेंगे. They will complete their octet. In order to complete their octet, they will just accept electrons. It is for them it is very difficult to lose electrons because they are having 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons in their outermost shell. So they will need 4, 3, 2, 1, etc. to complete their octet. Now, this element that is non-metal, so I will write here Nm, it will represent non-metal. It will accept electron to complete its octet and will have a negative charge on it. After accepting an electron, it will have negative charge on it. So non-metals are electronegative elements. So we will write here that non-metals are electronegative elements. Non-metals are okay, dear. So what are non-metals? They are actually electronegative elements. So remember, I will write an element that is nitrogen. There, I will write here nitrogen. This nitrogen is having number of electrons 7. So in order to complete its octet, it will accept 3 electrons. Okay, dear? So what does octet mean? Octet means having 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So I will try to write the electronic configuration of nitrogen. So nitrogen is having 7 electrons. So I will write 1s, 2, 2s, 2, 2p, 3. Okay, dear? So what is electronic configuration? In first shell, there are 2 electrons. In second shell, there are how many electrons? 5 electrons. 2 and 5 is 7. So it will complete its octet after gaining 3 electrons. So we are writing this nitrogen will accept here. Nitrogen will accept 3 electrons to complete its octet and it will get charge of 3 minus like this. So it will get charge of 3 minus. Okay, dear. Now see, another atom. I'm writing again. So see, say we are having nitrogen. This nitrogen will accept 3 electrons to complete its octet, and it will get 3 negative charge. Okay, dear, इसका complete हो गया. Its octet is completed by accepting 3 electron. It will get 3 negative charge. Now, similarly, we are having oxygen. So oxygen, how many electrons are there in oxygen, or what is the atomic number of oxygen? It's 8. Okay, dear, means in first shell it will have 2 electrons, in second shell it will have 6 electrons. So in order to complete its octet, it will try to gain 2 electrons. So we'll write here 2 electrons, and the charge on oxygen, that will be O2 minus. Okay, dear. So it's getting 2 negative charge by accepting 2 electron. Similarly, we have fluorine. What is the atomic number of fluorine? It's 9. Means in its first shell, there will be 2 electrons. In its second shell, there will be 7 electrons. In order to complete its octet, it will gain an electron. So this fluorine will gain 1 electron. So we'll write here electron, and it will give fluorine 1 negative. Okay, dear. Now we have seen these metals, sorry, these non-metals.